We are, I think we're having a blizzard in April.
Not cold.
She's got a hat, winter coat, and flip-flops.
My feet are surprisingly not cold.
You are a true Midwestern girl.
That snow is so fun. It's so slippery that it's fun. Ayo. Circle around it.
So Aspen is working on hunting the letter M's. And what kind of animal did we talk about? What is that?
Tell me.
What is it?
A mantis.
A manatee. Close. You're close.
Manatee.
Manatee. And her name is what? What's her name?
Michelle.
Michelle. And that sounds like doesn't it, for the letter M? Look at all those M's you found. Do you see any more? Ooh, I see one in this sentence. That's your last one.
In this row?
In that row, yep. Can you see it? It's in the word small.
No.
Small.
I can actually see it.
Can you see it? Are you tricking me? All right, let me see. Where is it? Where is
Where
it?
could it be? Is this it?
That's part of your pencil.
Where could it be? Where could it be?
You found it. Good job.
That's not it.
That is
That's it. Orange.
Yep, you're clicking on the color red and cleaning up all the red toys. Good job.
We were cleaning up
You
yellow
did
toy.
yellow before, didn't you? No, no yellow.
Doesn't
Just
that
red. You
look
don't get any
red when you
points.
put it there?
Just red. Good job. Woo!
Oh, really?
You're done. Great work. You
Yay!
finished the game. You are doing a really nice job on your letter M. What
Dad.
color did you say you picked?
Silver.
Silver. That is gorgeous. That does look
And
very
write my
silver.
name. Little snack.
Okay, so Braxton's all set up for school. We just did our one-on-ones, but he is working on, you've got about 2 hours worth of work to do, don't you?
Yeah.
He's got to finish A Kill a Mockingbird and his Bible reading from last week that he forgot to do.
You sure? I think this is what I'm supposed to read.
No, that's what I'm supposed to be packing with. And then he's working on this week's To Kill a Mockingbird and Bible
You're still
reading.
looking at me. Is she gone? Ah!
No, I'm in your face. Get your schoolwork done.
Never.
Braxton, why are you crying?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Why are you crying? Braxton.
He's actually crying.
Braxton.
The final update from my game releases on May 16th. It's like the best birthday present ever.
Are you really crying?
Yes.
He is too. Aww. I love you.
Do you ask for a ticket on your train? Oh, we will give you a ticket, Mama. About that time will you get back?
Okay, slow down. Read again.
About that time.
Look at this word.
That.
Look again.
What time will you get back?
Good job.
At 8:30. Ah, that is after bedtime. Is this the fast train? Yes, this is the lightning train. Oh, what? So
Okay, slow
that
down.
is
There you go.
too fast for me. That shall we get.
Look again. What word are you looking at? The very first word.
That.
V is TH. V. WH is W. Right. Very good.
Shall we get for you in town, Mama? A big basket. Then 2 good little children in it.
Okay, slow down. Let's read this again.
2.
There you go. With.
All right, time is up. Ding, ding.
So go ahead and go back up to the top and let's slow down and read it slowly, okay?
Mama, will you go to town? What do you ask for a ticket on your train?
Good job.
Oh, we will give you a ticket, Mama. About what time will you get back?
Nice.
At 8:30. Ah, that is after bedtime. Is this the fast train? Yes, this is the lightning train. Oh, that is too fast for me. What shall we get for you in town, Mama? A big basket with 2 good little children in it. All right. Time is up. Ding, ding.
Nice reading. Nice job slowing down and looking at your what's and your that's, because they look so much alike, don't they? It's very, very easy to mix the two of them up. So good job. You read beautifully the second time you read it. Good job. Nice. Okay, so Ireland is playing a game to brush up on addition facts. They do this a lot of review. They'll learn new concepts and then they'll go back to some of the old concepts. Like today she was estimating to the thousands place and then adding those numbers. And now we're just going back to play a game on just plain old addition. Go ahead, that's right. Content range from 1 to 12. Do you want to go slow, normal, or fast?
I'm gonna go normal.
Normal?
We're
Okay.
playing Beat Saber.
So yeah, she's playing a game today called Alien Blaster. So what adds to 7?
Wait, what's the, oh.
7. So which of these problems answers to 7? There's actually 2 possible on here.
Okay. Blast. Gotcha.
There you go.
8. Is there 4 plus 4? Oh, this one.
There you go.
Gotcha. 7. Gotcha. I don't know.
Oh, you got it lucky.
Stage complete.
5 plus 6 is also 11, and so is 9 plus 2. Go ahead and go to the next level.
I realized that at the end of the level. I was like, oh wait. Okay. Okay, come on, I only got 1 minute. I'm good. Good. Okay, gotcha. 6. Gotcha. 7.
Okay, Zane, so you're working on which key will unlock the treasure chest. You have the word you have. Which one is correct? Which you've is correct? Good job. Go to the next one. So Zane is doing a language arts game today. And he just has to take and unlock the treasure chest by telling which key is correct for I am.
I am.
Nice work.
There's one that said I me.
So if you're looking for this site, the one that we're using for this game is primarygames.com, and this is on contractions. Nice work.
Do not. Don't.
Okay, so I was gonna do a grocery haul, but we didn't pick up enough groceries to do a grocery haul. After we picked them up, I realized what we had. But we went and we did a meat pickup because we just wanted to make sure our freezer was stocked up with some meat, and we were able to get it. And Sam's Club in our area had some really good deals on meat. So Ireland has been helping her daddy package the bulk meat.
I don't get to.
Look at this, you guys. This is,
half pound and quarter pound burgers.
yeah, those are our burgers. And did you already put away the...
No. This is individual. This is pieces of pork loin. That's all chops.
And then you're doing my bulk meat right now, right?
Yeah, this is burger. Got a 1 pounder.
Yeah, so I usually have him bag. Hi, buddy. Okay, so I'm in the boys' room because I'm about, he doesn't know it, I'm about to pack Braxen's clothes up. So, oh, it's so dark in here. This light is so orange. Anyway, I'm gonna get as much of Braxen's clothing packed up as I can. And then since I've got him in here, I'm gonna ask him what are his favorite things, because I'm gonna pack, probably leave like 2 pairs of pajama pants out and then some shirts and pants, stuff like that. But the rest I'm gonna pack up, because the more we have packed, the better. Skylur is our grill master tonight.
All right.
Let me see those steaks. Oh, they look so good. Skylur makes the best steak. Like the most tender, best steak ever. It's cold out today, isn't it?
Come on, baby. Look at the clouds.
You can see your breath today. It's that cold. Yeah. If it wasn't snowing, I'd be worried about a tornado. The sky's so yellow. But it's snowing. It's snowing and we're grilling. That's a lot of snow. What the heck? This is the craziest weather lately, you guys. All right, so I've been very lazy this morning and I wasn't even sure I was gonna film, but I have to because I have to show you guys what's going on. So it's April.
And
Hold on, I can't get the door open like usual.
I don't think yeah.
There we go. It's April. But I think we're getting ready to have a blizzard. Look at all that snow. It's a
Snow.
It's huge snow. You come in here. You're in a t-shirt with no socks on. Get in here. We are. I think we're having a blizzard in April. Oh my goodness.
Dang,
Look at the snow. What do you guys think?
No, the trampoline.
Holy cow.
The trampoline.
That is a ton of snow. If this keeps up, it's going to be a blizzard in April, you guys. This is the
Oh, the shed.
This is the craziest weather.
Wait, the chalkboard. It's so cold.
Wow, look at the size of the snow though. Look how big it is.
Look at that. It's chunks. It's not even snow.
If this sticks, it's gonna be.
I got a little.
You got some on your fingers?
Yeah, it's just.
They're all going out in their pajamas. They don't even have socks on. Get in here.
I'm in the snow. Oh, ow, here.
Get in here, Aspen Hunter. Let your brother in. Come on. Listen to that wind.
Oh.
Whoa.
That is crazy.
Not just that.
That wind is fierce. Look at that.
You can just hear it. It's like.
Dude, that's insane.
Wow.
Yesterday we had to have the air on.
I know, it was like 70 degrees yesterday and today it's snowing.
I'm backfoot.
Get in the house. Okay, so literally this is like 5 minutes later and we have that much snow coverage already. This is crazy and it's cold out there. Look at that snow. And the wind. And you can see it, look at the trees. It is windy. That is crazy. So yeah, it is April. I can't even remember what date it is. It's April 9th, you guys. And we're getting this much snow. Okay, so 20 minutes later, not even. There's no snow and it's sunny out. Look at the beautiful blue sky. No wind anymore. It's still super cold. It's snowing enough that He's making little snow angels. Look at this. They're like little pellets.
Whoa!
Look at that. There's that much snow already.
How big this one is?
Oh my goodness. Let me in. Ireland's like, it's not that cold. I have my flip-flops on.
It's not cold.
She's got a hat, winter coat, and flip-flops.
My feet are surprisingly not cold.
You are a true Midwestern girl.
Welcome to the Midwest.
April, it's halfway to May. Okay,
Ketchup,
this
please.
dinner. Ketchup, please. Can you get him the ketchup from
There you
you?
go. Here you go, bud.
He's getting ketchup for his brother.
There's ranch too.
You want ranch?
Plate, please. You shake it.
Aspen, do you want ranch?
Another plate, please. Just shake it.
All right, you guys, this dinner looks amazing. There's fries, shrimp, bluegill, and steak. So we're
Wait,
doing
there's
surf and
bluegill?
turf tonight.
What?
And homemade ranch. Skylar's stirring up right now. That stuff is so good.
I want some homemade ranch, please.
Good job. You did a good job doing it yourself.
Can we please go out for a few more minutes?
We'll see. Your little cheeks are all red.
No, it's red because of that snow. It's so fun. It's so slippery that